Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to check website traffic in Hostinger. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First, log into your Hostinger account by opening your preferred web browser and heading over to the Hostinger website. Once you're logged in, you'll be greeted by an intuitive and user-friendly account interface. Next, go to the Websites section in your H panel. From there, click on Dashboard and then look for Analytics. On some accounts, you might find it listed directly under Statistics or Analytics in the menu. Once you are on a dashboard, go to Analytics tab on the left side. Once inside the Analytics section, you'll see a dashboard that works as the central hub for all your site's performance data. The first metric you'll notice is total requests, which shows how many times users have requested to view pages on your site. This helps measure engagement and interest in your content. Another useful metric is unique IP addresses, which tells you how many different users have visited your site, giving you insights into audience size and diversity. Finally, you'll see bandwidth usage, which measures the total amount of data transferred from your site to your visitors. Keeping track of bandwidth ensures your site can handle traffic smoothly without slowdowns or crashes. And that's it. By understanding these analytics, you can make better decisions about your website's performance and future improvements. So that is how you can check website traffic in Hostinger. So that's all for this video. Thanks.